selfish. Most people don't give a shit what happens as long as they get to do their favorite thing. People don't even want to back off from their favorite thing. They won't even do their second favorite thing. Like, you ever seen somebody like they're at an intersection and they want to make a left, but they're in the all the way right lane because they messed up. So now okay, here's the guy. He's in the right lane and there's a lot of cars, like 6th Avenue, like a lot of cars, and he wants to make that left. So what does he do? He just does it anyway. He just goes ahead and he just shoves his car through everybody's life without any, and everybody's honking and outraged, and you always see the guy go, I have to. There's no other possible thing I could do. What else could I do except go up one more block and then go left and take 4 seconds? That's not my favorite way, though. That only meets 99% of my criteria.
So she says the turn signal won't stay engaged when you make a right turn.
Holy fuck.
Take it. Come on. This is the guy. He's still living on that North money.
He's living on that Bruno money.
Yeah.
The return of Bruno.
Bruno's returns. And he's got a lot of harmonica to play at Planet Hollywoods around the world. You kind of feel like he co-founded Planet Hollywood just so he'd always have a venue for performing as Bruno wherever he went.
Oh my god.
What does he like jump up there and play like
many...
Mactonite songs on a piano?
Yeah, Mactonite.
Oh my god! Damn, son. That cop is pissed.
told you. See? There you go. Why would you have that on your phone? You love him.
I queued it up, okay?
Taking a little bit.
To sign up, head to nprpresents.org, where you can RSVP and get all the info you need to play. Kickoff is at 8 p.m. Eastern.
See you then. Now, on with today's show.
Okay, Garmin, save video.